Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a Toro Timemaster 30-inch walk-behind mower, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the blades on this machine. So what I've done here is just flipped it over here with the handles adjusted upright like that. It just makes it easy. You can get at it and no oil will get in your air filter or anything in this position. You'll need a 5/8 socket here on your impact or ratchet. Now when you get the old blades off, you will see a small adapter in the blade here, and you just pop it off like that. It just fell right out. And here's the other one. Now sometimes this little adapter can be stuck in the blade quite tight. So you can either push it out with the bolt like I did, or get a screwdriver and get in between it and pry it off. And I've got a new set of blades here, and here's the part number 1166358. And I'll put the part numbers in the video description in case you want to refer to them. Now what you need to do is grab your small adapters, put them underneath the blade like this. So remember that the part number faces toward the ground. And then you got to match up the notches on the adapter to the spindle right here. And now do the same on the other side. And now what I'll do is tighten them up manually, and you want to make sure they're fairly tight. Now it's also important to make sure on this machine that your blades are in this position so that they don't hit each other when you're using the machine. Now if your blades are not in the proper position, you'll need to remove this plastic cover. There's only 4 bolts that are holding this cover on the machine. And then you need to come over here and loosen this bolt right there and take off this pulley. Just take the bolt off, and once you remove the pulley, the belt will be loose enough so that you can retime it to have the blades in the position that I showed you. Now you'll only have to do this if the belt is broken or if the belt got loose and skipped a few cogs and it's out of time. If everything's working good and you just want to replace the blades, you don't have to do any adjustments here if everything's working correctly. So hopefully my video has helped you. If it has, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it with your friends. Have a great day.